How to know how many devices that has been logged into your Telegram account. If possible, someone might have been accessing your Telegram account without your permission. So let me guide you guys on how to know and remove such account as soon as possible. First, make sure that your Telegram app is up to date. Tap on Telegram app on your device and open it like this one. Go ahead and tap on settings. Now go ahead and tap on device. You see here you have different options. Here tap on device. Once tap on devices or device, it comes out like this. Now I have two devices that is accessing my Telegram account here. The first one is my iPhone 12 Pro Max. Then the second one is Infinix Hot 12. So Infinix Hot Play, this is accessing my device. If you are not sure of this device that is accessing your device, just tap on it like this, then tap on terminate session, then tap on terminate session again. That's all guys, you've been able to remove that device from your account. That's all.